The largest Czech medieval historical festival, Battle of Libušín, was founded in 1991 as one of the first events of its kind in Europe. This year we are organizing the 29th year of this important event, which over the years has grown to one of the largest of its kind in Europe. Around 2,500 performers from the Czech Republic and abroad regularly attend, which is watched by several thousand spectators. You can see more than 1,000 fighters in the battle itself. The venue and date of the festival are not just random. The hill under which the Battle of Libušín takes place is dedicated to Saint George, the patron saint of knights. It has a names day on April 24. In addition, the hill of Saint George near Libušín is connected with the beginnings of Czech statehood, as it is archaeologically proven that in the 10th century AD there was a Přemyslid fort here. And so, quite typically, the medieval camp of all the performers is located right here. It continues along the historic trade route and ends in the valley below the hill. During the festival, it is possible to visit the camp with the whole family, get acquainted with the ways of medieval camping and life in various historical periods, see on your own eyes the equipment of warriors and the ways the common people dressed, get to know period crafts and buy original products at historical stalls. Of course, the festival also includes a rich accompanying program, which is worth paying attention to. There will be period juggling, theater and dance performances, horses, falconry, medieval soul competition, medieval ball game, as well as evening concerts of period music groups and night fire shows. You can also enjoy your trip to the past in our pub, which offers a rich selection of drinks and meals.
A když budeš podat, tak si z hora dolů.